Coming to hospital to have surgery can be a scary experience. For children in Tayside, it's another world. The first patients have had appointments at the new Children's Twin Theatre at Ninewells Hospital. Years of research and millions of pounds of investment from NHS Tayside and the Archie Foundation have created a ward built with the needs of children at the heart of it.
Myself and my colleagues developing the service used that and used our current environment to advance those arguments to develop the sort of environment that we really want for children and families, such as you see today, which we're so fortunate, so excited to have. Children can come in on the same day and go home the same day. So we're looking to do all of that in an environment, as I say, which will help their recovery and also give positive experiences. So moving forward and needing health care in the future, they're hopefully not going to be anxious, or they'll have a positive experience with that.
The new unit brings together children's medical and dental teams under one roof.
Prior to the pandemic, we were working in a facility which really wasn't specifically made for children. And we do know that the children we see, children with dental problems and who need dental surgery, are really quite anxious compared to other kids needing other surgery. So the fact that they get to interact with the environment before coming in for their big surgery helps to make things a little easier because they become acclimatized to the environment.
A one-way system has been introduced to help anxious patients and families feel more at ease and give them a more positive experience.
In contrast to our other unit, the area is a much bigger ward, so I think having that extra space will be really beneficial, because previously we had all patients in the same area, so children would come in and they would see other children that had been to theatre. So having that time where you come into one area, you get prepped for going to theatre, you come to the ward after theatre, then you're discharged, so you don't have that mix of patients which we previously had.
The children will be accompanied by whimsical creatures throughout their time on the ward, inspired by the nature surrounding the hospital.
Such an important project, so important. It's a game changer for thousands and thousands of children across Tayside. Ninewells Hospital is surrounded by nature. We've got the gardens and the woodland and everything, so it's all about bringing a little bit of that in. And when you're stressed and worried and a little bit anxious, there's nothing nicer than going for a walk in nature. The birds and the puffins popped up and they act as our guides all the way through the suite, so they're our constant companions. So children might want to focus on one character, they might just want to count them.
While you can count the characters on the walls, it might be harder to count the thousands of children who will benefit from this new facility. Felicity Clifford, STV News.